first thing you want to do is take off the key ring and then put the buttons facing down, and right here on this side is a little place to pry up. So just put like a flathead screwdriver right in there and pry up like that. All right, and then you just gently take this cover off, and be careful because things can fall out. Take this side, set it down, and on this side, keep the buttons facing down. This little circuit board comes out, and you can see there's a seal on it, so you want to keep the seal from coming up with it, the seal on the buttons. Keep that in its little tray there, and then set that down. And hold the circuit board ideally by the edge. Now it's a CR2032 battery, and you can see how it has the battery kind of catched in here in this little brace. You can do this with your finger basically. You just slide it out like so, and then you get the new one, slide it in place, make sure it's underneath all three catches like so. Then you can get the side with the seal once again and the buttons, drop it in there, and make sure it's lined up properly. So this is, make sure it's down in there all the way and even looking. And then take the other side, lay it on top, and just kind of jiggle it around to make sure that it's lined up properly before you do any pushing. And then you can snap it in place. And then you go around the edge, make sure there's no gaps, make sure it's secure, put your keychain back on, and you're all finished.